Hey everyone, let me show you 3 simple ways to reverse list, okay, in Python. So let's make a list first. Okay, now we are going to use the reverse function. Simply the first method is this one. Okay, so just write reverse function and then you can print out list 1 and you can see the result. You can see it is reversed. Okay, now the second method is while iterating in a loop. Let's make a loop for element in reversed and pass here list 1 and you can simply print out the element. Okay, so if you run it, you'll get the result 645. It is reversed. Okay, now the third method is using slicing. Okay, so simply 546 and you need to put here colon and -1. So now if you print out this list, then you can see the result 645. Okay, so it is reversed. So these are the 3 ways, simple ways to reverse the list in Python. Thank you, and for more programming lessons check out our channel flowindata.